So this is part two of my appraisal refinancing video, and the appraiser just left, and I gave her a tour of the house. Of course, had that cordial conversation, got to know her a little bit. She's been doing this work for quite some time, seen all kinds of houses, and I showed her or gave her a tour of the home as if I was a sales agent without being salesy, right? So again, just pointing out all the things and the changes that we did. I shared with her the appraisal price that we initially got years ago, right? Because the market has appreciated. She knows that. So that then becomes her baseline. And then I'm talking about the increase in the market since then, as well as all the improvements that we made to the home, the investments, the capital investments that I made that should force appreciation, like the central AC, like new floors, creating this open layout. This used to be a bedroom, and we knocked down this wall here, and now we have this open layout with connecting the kitchen and the living room, and then we made the former living room a bedroom. So shared with her those kind of things. Now my agent told me that there's things that I could have done if I had more time to perhaps even improve her assessment of the space. So I could have done some touch-up paints in places where we did not repaint. I could have, I definitely cleaned, right? You want to stage it as if a buyer is coming in so that they see the value. And I did my best to do that with the little time that I had. They really got a quick turnaround on this. So I had literally 48 hours to get the house ready, but I didn't have too much to do. But if I had more time, there are things I could have done, like I could have got the grass cut on the outside, I could have painted, I could have rearrange some furniture and things of that nature to present something as a bedroom or office. Those things could have occurred because you want to create a visualization of the true value in their mind based on what the market perceives as valuable, not what you perceive as valuable. So the one room used to be my office, right? And I actually moved my daughter's bed and put it into that room temporarily, just so it's not perceived as an office, but it's perceived as a bedroom, because a bedroom is more valuable than an office, right? So these are the things that you can do to try to increase the value of your appraisal, which will also then allow me to cash out more money to use to invest in other property, right? So this is what I'm learning. Again, this is my first reappraisal. Actually, it's not my first reappraisal. I got a reappraisal on my home in Brooklyn when I wanted to get a HELOC. This is my first cash out refinance. That was a HELOC, and those are two different strategies that you can use. A HELOC, home equity line of credit, basically gives you credit that you can use. So I have like a big credit card that I can use with the bank, but that comes with an interest rate, and it's a variable interest rate. Whereas refinance, you get a fixed interest rate over another 30-year mortgage. So I'm learning, and I just want to share that journey with you all. I hope this helps you if you're considering doing anything similar. All right, if you have equity in your home and you actually need cash to invest, not cash to go on vacation and buy luxuries and buy expenses and liabilities, but cash to go on vacation, then this is a strategy you may want to employ. All right, much love, y'all. Peace.